Good morning, everyone. Today it's very glad to launch our AI residency program. We have been doing this for the 8 months for the data science type of roles, specifically for the data analyst type of roles. Things have changed. We have seen how the industry is evolving. We used to run batches, and now it is a very dynamic world. So we have changed the type of offerings that we are giving. This is not a course. This is not you. I will not teach you how to write print hello world or run a OpenAI API call. What we will do is we will make you industry ready. We will give you the opportunity to implement all the learnings that we have done. And if you are not having the skills, we will give you the opportunity to learn the skills. So we have all the resources in our community, in our academy portal. There are a lot of things that you can use, you can learn and play around with it. And what this will enable you to do is get your hands dirty. So there are two things that are very important, and we will go through the FRAC framework together: foundation, research, action, and the finally clearing the interview. So we will go through this whole framework together. We will be mentoring. So along with me there are other mentors who will also be helping you one on one to take you along this path of implementing your learning. And not only is this for jobs. Jobs are very good. I request everyone who get an opportunity to work in a company, do that to get an experience, but always have that monetization or side hustle type of culture. How you can get projects, how you can build something of your own. It can be in any space that you want to do. How whatever you are doing, you want to start with content creation in this space, guest blogging, or it can be contributing to open source, contributing to projects, participating in hackathons. It can be a lot of things that you can help get to monetize your learning journey along with us, other than what you are doing for projects, for internships, for getting real life experience. And this is a journey. You need to build your portfolio, GitHub portfolio, project portfolio, and your LinkedIn profile to get you noticed by the employer. So I have made a small page regarding the basic skills that are there for this AI residency program. Why I call this residency program? This is like you will be working very closely with us under our mentorship. At the end of the day, you will be getting a 3 months experience letter from the company that you have worked with us on if so and so project, and recommendation letter according to what you are doing. So some of the basic things that you have to go through while you are doing it. And the best thing about this is we will try to help you land your dream job or your dream company. Not only, as I was mentioning you, monetization of what you are trying to do, monetize, freelancing, startup, collaboration, and not only data science and AI, because there are a lot of type of people in this community or who want to learn automation, who are not that good in coding, who want to use AI to make their work better, faster, to make money out of these technologies to service companies. And like suppose now if you even go to Fiverr is there is a separate section for AI type of projects. If I will show you, and you will AI coding and development, if you can see, this was not there before the ChatGPT era. This has recently come up. AI, a separate section for AI, if you can see. This is a section that has really come up recently, AI development. So let me just continue with Google and show you the things that I just wanted to share with you other than this video that is there. So now if you go to AI services, if you can just, I wanted to show you the services, and this is something that is very, very recent. If I click AI services, if you can see, this has just started after the ChatGPT era. Now, yeah, you can see this AI development, all these things, AI application integration, chatbot, and custom GPT apps, and then AI artists, how to use these technologies to build wonderful products, AI before business, as you can see. Then we have AI video, AI audio, AI content, and even data. So now data has become a very small part, but you can see a lot of things are there. How you can start taking these type of projects, how you can start taking this AI chatbot of projects. So you can see, and these are basically, you can see the number of profiles. Like this guy is this guy is he has started a simple thing, and you can see how well he is using this technology, how well he is using this type of chatbots, using this technology, using all the uh, things here, and building a very good portfolio and a very good project that is there. So these are some of the things that you need to see. I know Fiverr has a lot of opportunities to for you to create and and when we started, when we saw this, there were very few people, but now you can see Alan, people like Talha are doing an amazing job, and they are specifically in this chatbot space. There are so many things, there are so many details going on, and this is a gig economy is something that I personally feel is the future. And this guy is not even a coder, he is a digital marketer. Still he is helping build these type of applications. He's from Egypt, and you can see what all things he is doing. So you can connect with, try to at least start with this experience. This is the best way to get an experience first. And I have a whole module of talking about how to use Upwork and how to start working and getting gigs, and then playing around with this. This is one way to get. Then you have Upwork freelancer, where you will get some other opportunities as well to play around with. Upwork is also a very great way. Fiverr is a place you can create, but Upwork is a place where you can start logging in and seeing the type of jobs that are there. And you will see there are little complicated type of jobs here which are open, but at least you get an idea to prepare yourself and start taking projects. So this is a very good way. One second, I'm logging in after some time in Upwork, so it is okay. So now find work. Now I will just do. So this is taking my profile, but you can see we are seeking a freelancer to develop a customer solution that automates. So this is a project that is already here. Twitter influencer for please send me a proposal. We need to. So this is one that you can use. This one is for big influencers on Twitter, and this is also they're looking for people here. AI developer needed. See, can you see this opportunity? This is a good opportunity where they are asking for a lot of things, and they're giving around $15 per hour. This is a good way. This is a good thing that you want to understand, and you can play around with. So this is a way to see what are the things that are in demand. Or if you want to search jobs, just search for chat AI, or you can say for uh, AI application. AI. Okay, let me just put a artificial intelligence. Yeah, so let's just, if you put artificial intelligence, you will see lot of things coming here. You can see this create a chatbot powered with AI and connected with BigQuery. This is some time back. A LangChain flow consultation. This is a thing. Google Geospatial AI engineer specialization LM. You can see the number of work that is coming up is huge, and I am seeing this at a regular basis. And if I just click AI, you can see the number of results were like huge. Let me you can say 128, 995, and you can also see the location, client location less than. And you can, if you are only wanting to work with, I will not suggest any client location, but this is if you want old people, you can just check this one. Entry level, if you want to see entry level type of jobs, the easy ones, you can see this project in WordPress and this thing. So there's a lot of new things, specifically in the voice AI space. If someone requires a UI UX designer, have a look at this. It is a very interesting way to for you to find out what you want to do. So this is one thing that we are really pitching for freelancing and Upwork opportunities. And other than that, how you can build your good profile. And here also, if you see, you need to put your LinkedIn profile. So here, if I go in my profile, and this is an old profile, I am not that active on Upwork right now, but here you have to give your details, your work history, your and your even your LinkedIn. You cannot put directly here because they don't want to directly contact you, but you need to create a good profile. But other than this, you need to update all the details here and make sure that you are having a good profile, other than your GitHub, other than your LinkedIn. You need to also have a good Fiverr account and an Upwork profile for you to look around. So a lot of things I speak about resumes, they're very, very important. Have a wonderful template for all of you to take it up and start using it. And once you do this, how we are different is we are giving, if you can see, project based, real projects. We're going to have industry expert mentors other than me. Hands on, you will see how to clean the data, how to process the data, how to fight, how to do firefighting according to this area. One-on-one mentorship is important. So I will be committing 10 hours to you. Whenever you want to book your time, whenever you want guidance, that is going to be done. We have a lot of monthly live workshops. You will have access to everything in our premium community, all the AI shows, career talks to keep you motivated. The program is very flexible and structured for you to help you, guide you to reach your goal. So initially, this is what we want to do. We will help you getting an internship, and the time that you are working for with us, you will be getting an experience letter. You will be getting interviews, mock interviews specifically, to make sure that you are good enough. And I don't personally guarantee any job. No one can guarantee job, but I can guarantee you an interview for a full-time job, that I'm going to push your profile. If you have passed all the assessments and you have done what I have been told, then you will be at least you will be given one interview opportunity to show your prove your capability. And the costing is one very small investment that you need to do for this. So these are the things that are there. Best of luck, anyone who wants to understand the best way to build your profile. There is no one way. You have to navigate the way. We will give you the best opportunity to work on real time of projects and guide you in a way that not only you gain internship opportunity, but also you have the zeal how to solve problems and create a side hustle for you. A side project is one thing that I really motivate everyone to do. The outcome of these type of programs are not guaranteed job, but giving you that platform to build something of your own as well as a side hustle. It can be a content platform, like you can start any of your YouTube channels, or you can start any of your Twitter, or any content creation platform that you're comfortable and the way you want to share. Build your portfolio. GitHub, build your portfolio, build your GitHub profile, start talking on LinkedIn, and get discovered. And this is the whole journey. And AI and data science is such a thing that you cannot learn. Still 20 years I am on the field every day, learning and failing, and I just say that we learn together, and I will try to guide you in your journey. So do join with us, support us, and looking forward to hear from you in the next video. Have a great learning and see you on the other side.